The Presidential Records Act was created in response to the Nixon administration as a way of making sure that records that were created by an administration would be preserved for the people that own those records. That's right, us. It was to distinguish, and it allowed a distinguishment of things that were purely personal records of the president, notes, diaries, etc. The president can declare, if they are something that he or she created, that they are personal records. And that's important because anything that was touched by somebody else could never be a personal record. So the Presidential Records Act was meant to protect those and preserve them for us, the people. Aileen Cannon never understood that and had several rulings that showed that she either did not understand that or that she was willfully ignoring the intent and language of the Presidential Records Act, which led us, of course, to the Jack Smith case that he tried to put forward that Aileen Cannon rejected for all sorts of ridiculous reasons. Fast forward to December 31st, 2025, and the House Republican Committee finally released the transcript of the Jack Smith testimony at a time when they hope that American people don't see it. But what I want to focus on is what kind of person it shows that Jack Smith is. Jack Smith went into that hearing knowing that those records from the court case involving the presidential records were under a gag order, that the Aileen Cannon rulings have said that until later on in 2026, he's not allowed to release or talk about the ruling and the findings. So after a special counsel reviews things, typically if they don't charge, they have historically always made a report that they submit to the Justice Department for release, and she has put a gag order stopping that. Jack Smith, to show you who he is, did not even review that because he didn't want any appearance of impropriety in his testimony before the committee. He didn't want anybody saying, well, Jack Smith looked at these records that she said he can't look at and he's a private citizen. He didn't want that question, and he didn't want to accidentally reveal anything that he couldn't reveal. That's because Jack Smith is 100 times the person that Aileen Cannon or Donald Trump will ever be.